Hello, I'm Graham Brave from Easier Internet Marketing, and welcome to this new video series, Create Your First Blog with WordPress. Right, here we are in the last video in this video series, and in this video series it's really exciting. We're going to show you how to put your first blog post in. Not only that, but also how to insert your first image and even a video. So without any further ado, let's go straight to the dashboard and let's get started. So hopefully by now you're pretty familiar with this dashboard, and all you have to do is come over here and click on Add New. So in your Posts section over here, just open it up and click on Add New, and you come into this page here. Now here, let's give it a title. Let's call it Welcome to BBQ Recipe Info! Okay, that's a good title there. Looks pretty good to me. Right, now in this one I always like inserting an image, so I always start my post by putting an image in. So to insert an image, click on this little icon here. It says add an image, so just click on there. Now we go here to select files. Now I've already got my files, my photo files, all in one place, so I'll click on that. It should take me straight there. Here they are. Here's my images. Now I'm looking for one of a barbecue. Now you can search online for free images of barbecues, or you could go to sites like fotolia.com and buy the image, but I've got one here on barbecue. Let's click on that and then open, and there we go. We can see the whole thing is now opening up in this window, crunching. Right, looks good. There we go, that's the picture we want. So come on down. Now you've got a choice here. Do you want it on the left of the page or in the center? I always go for the right. This is my trademark, on the right. Thumbnail, medium, large. Well, let's stick with what it suggests, medium, shall we? And let's insert into post. And there we go. Okay. Now, if you want to have a look, see what your post looks like already, let's go over here to preview. Click on preview. And let's see what it looks like, shall we? There we go. Welcome to BBQ Recipe Info. Looks good. Let's close down a second. Now, we're going to put some text in here. Now I tend to do all my writing in Word, but it's advisable not to copy straight from Word into WordPress. People suggest you actually use Notepad. So down here what I've done, I've copied my text into Notepad. Apparently there are some software issues in Word that can actually make this not such an easy process. Therefore it's best to copy it into Notepad. So let's just highlight what I want on this bit here. Okay, right click, copy. Let's just minimize that, come over again, and let's Control V, allow access, and there we've got it. There we've got our text there. Let's just check it out. Looks correct. I think I'm happy with that. That looks good. Okay, we can preview it. What does it look like? Come on down a minute. There we are. That looks good, doesn't it? Our first post. Okay, now there's a few things we need to do. We'll put it in a moment to put it in uncategorized as a category. We can always change that at a later date, but just leave it there. And then come on down here. Now, when we put in this SEO pack, all in one, helps it more search engine friendly. This way we put a little summary of what we put in. So let's put in their title, same title. Welcome to BBQ Recipe Info! And here, this is like a little summary of what I've written up there. And again, I've produced something in Notepad, little summary here, what it's all about. So let's copy that. Right click, copy, minimize, put it there, and let's paste it. Now, notice here, we're almost at our limit. This little summary here, description, can only hold 160 characters. I've used 153, so it's pretty close. Now down here we want some keywords that the search engines may look for. Let's put in BBQ, let's put in recipe, oops, can't spell recipe, and I'll leave it just there for now, don't do any more. And also over here we need to put in some tags. Now tags again are used by search engines. We've got nothing in there again, so let's put in the same tags over here. Let's put in BBQ and recipe, add, there we go. So we're going to be using those two tags there. So I think we're about there. Let's just pop up now and have a look. Okay, let's have a preview, see what it's like, shall we? I think if we scroll down, yep, I think I'm pleased with that. Not pleased this bit here, those hello world. Let's see what we can do about that, shall we? So, I'll tell you what, we'll come back in a second. Let's just finish this off and then come back and get rid of that hello world bit, shall we? Now, suppose we wanted to put into here a video recording. We could put at the bottom of the page here, we could put a video, couldn't we, down here somewhere? There's just a bit of a space in there. Now, to do that, you've got to use not this visual tab here, but the HTML tab. So let's just go to HTML. Okay, and this is the coding here. We're not going to be too worried about that at all. But let's go on the bottom and let's find out where I am down here. Move down a little bit. Okay, let's go down a little bit. Bit of space. Now I happen to have a video. It's not a particularly relevant video. You see what I mean when I go over there. Let's go to my YouTube account. Now here we've got one about protein. Now there's lots of protein in meat, isn't there? There's meat on barbecue, so it's sort of connected, but I'll just use it as an example here. Okay. Now let's come down here. Now to put a video in, you want to get the code. So click on Share. Right, now we want to embed this, so we come to embed, click on embed there. That's the code we want. So right click on it, copy, okay. Then let's go back then to our post here with HTML. So right click, left click, paste. And what's happened there is this is the coding here for the video from YouTube. Now if we go to preview, see what this looks like. Scroll down, there's our picture, coming down, and there's our video. As I said, not very relevant to barbecues, but just using an example, and click on that, and we should find, there it goes straight in, there we go. The sound's turned off at the moment, but you can see there that it's working perfectly. So that's how to insert a video into your blog post. Now, we're going to publish that now, come over here, click publish. And there we are, post published. Okay, let's view the post, shall we? So it looks like. Come down, there we go, our welcome to BBQ recipe info, hi, and etc. We could tidy it a little bit tidy up, couldn't we? Down here, and there's our video. So we've got an image, we've got text, we've got a video. That is looking good. That is looking very, very good. Okay, and it says here, welcome to BBQ recipe info. Now, we did say we want to get rid of that hello world, didn't we? So we're happy with that, that's no problem. Let's go to posts here, close posts. Okay, and you see here one that says hello world. We don't want that. Let's put a tick in there, shall we? And let's trash it. There, it's gone. It's gone. Now I can go back and again look at our post, go up here to visit site. Okay, we're now at the top. Now with your posts, as you put a post in, this will get pushed down, further and further down. So they tend to be sequential. But you can see there, we've now put in our first post. Recent post there, we've got an image, we've got a video. I think we've done a very, very good job, which I'm very, very pleased with. Okay, so have a go yourselves, see how you get on. I hope this all made sense to you, but please, if you've got any questions whatsoever, please contact me at www.easierinternetmarketing.com and just go to the contact page there and get in touch. I look forward to hearing from you. Bye bye for now.